Right, so Google's just changed the rules on Android backups. From next month, more of your phone's data starts counting against your free 15 GB Google storage. So if you've been getting the storage full warning, here's what changed, how to check, and how to stop it filling up. For this change, only your photos and WhatsApp media counted against your storage. Now, text messages, call history, device settings, app data all count too. About 40 megabytes extra per phone on average, so nothing dramatic. But if you've got two or three Android phones on the same account, it stacks up quick. First, check what's using your storage. Open the Google One app, which came pre-installed on your phone. Tap the storage tab at the bottom and you'll see the split Photos, Drive, Gmail, and now Device Backup. Screenshot that so you know your starting point. Now the cleanup, open Settings, search Backup, tap Google Backup, then Other Device Data. You'll see toggles for text messages and picture messages, call history, device settings, and each app. Turn off anything you don't need backed up. WhatsApp lives in the WhatsApp app itself, not here. So do that one separately. If you've had a few Android phones over the years, there's probably still backups sitting in your cloud. Same Google One app, storage tab, scroll to backups, tap the one from old phones you don't use anymore, hit delete backup, instant chunk of space back at no cost. That's it. You don't need to panic and buy Google One. Free 15 GB stays free. Just check what's in yours, turn off what you don't need, delete what's stale.